Hello, in this lesson, we are going to find the LCM of 108 and 144 by using two non-traditional methods. So let's go ahead and begin. So I'm going to place 108 here and 144 here, and I'm going to draw L around it, stand for the latter method. So since these are two fairly large numbers, we're going to find a number that divides evenly into both numbers at the same time and that the largest number as possible. So that's 12. And the reason why is because 12 times 9 is 108 and 12 times 12 is 144. So therefore 108 divided by 12 is 9 and 144 divided by 12 is 12. Okay, so we're going to draw another line here, or L. And so we know that 3 divides evenly into both 9 and 12 because 3 goes into 9 3 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. Okay, so now we are multiplying these numbers together for the LCM. Okay, so you can traditionally multiply these numbers or you can use lattice multiplication. So we have 12 times 3, which is 36. We also have 3 times 4, which is 12. So you can multiply 36 times 12 traditionally, or you can use lattice multiplication. I know a lot of times students find the traditional way confusing, so we'll go ahead and use lattice multiplication here. Okay, so we'll draw this box here, and then we'll divide it into 4 boxes. Okay, and then since we have 36 by 12, we'll place 36 here, and we'll place 12 here. And then we'll go ahead and draw our lines or diagonal lines here, and that here. And then we have one more right here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is multiply our numbers. So this box right here meets at the 6 and 1. So we're multiplying 6 times 1, which gives us 6. So we'll place 0 here and 6 here. Okay, notice we have 0, 6. It doesn't change the value of 6. Okay, and then moving along where the 6 and 2 meets is right here. So 6 times 2 is 12. So place a 1 here and a 2 here. And then this box where the 3 and 1 meets, so that's 3 times 1. So we'll place 0, 3 here. Okay. And then, of course, last but not least, we have 3 times 2 where this box meet at, and that's 6. So we'll place 0, 6 here. All right. And so we'll go ahead and add up our values here. All right. So we have a 2 right here. So that's the only number right here. And then we have 6 plus 1 plus 6. So that's 13. So we have to carry the 1 over into the next diagonal. So we have 1 plus 3 now, which gives us 4. And we don't have anything here. The 0 is just 0. Okay, so we actually read these numbers here from left to right like this. Okay, so that means that the least common multiple, or LCM, for 108 and 144 is 432. Okay, so hopefully this was helpful to you, and I look forward to working with you in the next lesson.